and WhatsApp message, you complain where you will send as letter to the producer. We dey announce but team them working loss and plenty more.
We idea all about the country, but you self help for being the use that you area.
We use the original program where they give you updates.
Where use? You get use?
Yes, I got use.
Where you get use?
Yes, I get use.
Welcome, man, for welcome to the program we used to you. I don't say within so outside this country you want to take part, and the only way for do that.
Quick one for what the program and just make your comments through text or WhatsApp message. We will send to the usual line, the usual text line, that's 077685518. The usual WhatsApp line is 076812174. Send your comment and we'll read the program quick.
Well, it will be your voice.
My voice.
Inside the program today, we'll bring on the main cotton tea in the country will catch fire over the weekend. We will bring on that. The National Tourist Board don't begin demolition at the beach bar, and Program Beach Bar in Alomli, Aberdeen Beach. CID boss don't talk on Paulo Conte in residence. You go away, then go there. Tollgate workmen they on strike, for them working condition. Then we will bring on a mega energy drink. We suspect say it gets some bolo. This and more plus other things that will bring Cantona inside the program. We use Spinner that must say.
Lucy and Ganana.
Well, we want to take a break and join with sponsors.
Sierra Leone Commercial Bank, a leading financial services provider, delivering value to all stakeholders.
Now me back, now you back, now we back. Salon Commercial Bank. Now me back, now you back, now we back. Salon Commercial Bank. Salon Commercial Bank. Now the People's Bank.
The People's Bank.
Oh yeah.
Sure.
Salon Commercial Bank. Delivering value.
Delivering value.
We dey drive customer success.
For sure.
Insist on excellence. Integrity and commitment. Now that we stand for. Creating a climate of openness and trust. Personal values. Count on us.
You can count on us.
Team ethic. For sure. Count on us. Now we back. Now you back. Now we back. Salon Commercial Bank.
Delivering value.
Fode,
Yes, Papa.
but Gia send something for we. Nothing other than house for it.
Okay.
Airtel money now na Orange money. Dial #144# for use Orange money. Send money, cash money, pay your own bill with Orange money and be part of over 15 lucky customers and agents them for win 1 million news every week for the next 10 weeks. This na the way for Tell Una Kushe.
It's all about what matters to you. Orange.
And to begin with this, we come up now too. Over the weekend, say some parts na the Cotton Tree, that is Central Business District, they catch fire. Well, we on Judge Louis and Soriba Samoa, bingo there and this Nambri.
But she is believing. When I can see, actually means it's right.
Me and Nazir Ahmad Ali Kamandabongi, me and the Chief Officer of the National Fire Force. We don't ever get any report for say fire don't ever catch at the Cotton Tree. Probably the activities that people they do around the Cotton Tree be different. Yeah, but now we don't able to know for say now the first step when we say able to say squatter and they inside the Cotton Tree. Yeah, and so I mean, in our cage.
Who is a squatter? For somebody who not able to understand.
What's a squatter? People when they live there, now they sleep, now they do their own business. Then 2-3 close them. Some people they call them Christmas them, but like I can always tell people, they they call them Christmas them because now only the psychiatric people and the doctor they were responsible for the doctor 9 and they were able to know whether person increase or not. But certainly enough people that they will be sleep in that Cotton Tree as of yesterday. Now they tap. Yeah, and that fire they will be in that Cotton Tree, not to fire away in electric fire, not to fire away come out from other side. You know go talk saying that because person pack
My name is Sulaiman Zainupaka. I'm the Environment and Social Officer in African City Council. So we as a nation, that the more reason that make we feel say the country need more attention in terms of look at them, and to me it's a tourist attraction equally. You understand? So if we try for all proper one, we try to get more attention. I believe say people are really far away from this country, not everybody this country. And most of when they come, they go look for good day and they go take pictures. And the state where it day, now will make you proud of them as a nation. And like what I say, and as much as it fall within the Freetown City Council authority, but for let we able protect them, for let we make a fight, involve other stakeholders, involve other ministries, and for let be fine.
Alright, well, that's so being at the Cotton Tree. The National Tourist Board don't begin demolition of them beach bar on Lumley Beach, Aberdeen. Well, we and Dominic JJ talk up in Diddy and they send this for you.
Yeah, my name is Aisha Outcake. Okay. The problem, another problem they can break because there's no one tapoli or there's no one pan. But now it's so confusing. You don't know what they want. If not pan, they want or not tapoli. Because even bill where pan they take them down. If now small break therefore don't give you say, okay, we're going to say 1 week or 2 weeks, we don't want tapoli now. We don't understand. But it's like this is on the way. We don't even know who side for big, who side for star, who side for court. It's very, very disgraceful. Not for we, not for the government, I believe, say, they try for blackmail.
Now, there's a lot of discrimination happening at this beach. One, 3 years ago, the tourist board, National Tourist Board called a meeting there. Okay. When they say, when they can talk to the people at the beach, they want to give them plan how for rule this beach. What's in the structures of them for put at the beach. The people that when they say at this beach show, they all get receipts when they pay to tourist board. 700,000 for 6 months. After 6 months, then they pay back for another 6 months. They all get a document. Then get a document for proof, and when they go show to His Excellency. This morning, they come. They say that they can block Tapolin because it's Tapolin. They pour the beach. Okay. Now then, they block structures them where on a zinc, on a board, where by right. The plan where government forgive, tourism forgive, the citizens of this country, we don't know what kind of plan they want. Okay. The Lebanese them, that this country, then get a boat structure. They're not a broken place.
I feel bad because the poor all get by fire. And some of we, na bola or left bola, the big bonnet and motoka, and so get starting. 1 million, 500,000, 300,000, start single box. Now we dey do bad na beach. But people we are now don't steady. They say bad not the again. Now they do business, then they can't go Cuba for back. They say they don't want nobody in a beach. I want you tell me who that they the security, who they secure the beach.
I mean, Maria Makamara. I don't be there this morning. I didn't work for I buy fish. So they call me. They say na from Camo. They don't work in a buffer. Like me, I don't be there them work this buffer. So now I say, so that cause I say, I nearly work for us. Now I say, I saw they go job work for people they know day. They don't work with like me as spare amos or buy stick by Sapolin. They work all sides.
My name is Ashiru Kova.
Your position?
I'm in the Planning and Development Assistant,
No.
National Tourism Board. Yeah, the demolition came about because we get a well-organized master plan for the Lumley Beach. This master plan will be lawmaker since 2015. We planned for, because we all aware of how the condition of the beach is. In order to organize, in order to proper, we want for transform Lumley Beach to an international standard.
Okay, well, they push the program go before with this one, the CID boss, the post with before, talk to Dominic JJ Tucker, but the go where they go na Paulo Conte, he hosts, as they say, they work on intelligence. Let we get for say.
GMT Tommy, Chief Superintendent of Police, the head of the Criminal Investigations Department.
Everything I will find out.
Yes, policing is led by intelligence, and then the only way we will be able to maintain safe community for people then and for everybody. Saturday, early morning, we get intelligence, some military equipment, and they na one host, now Wilberforce here and Wilberforce village, Bellevue Drive. So, since that's soldier man business, we said we go for call, we counterpart then the military for let them team up with we. We go there, we meet two bobo then day. We then say then security in the place. So we tell them say, well, we get information say some military equipment and then at this host, now we can't look for. The bobo then they say okay, then they around, we all go inside the host, room after room, we check. Say we come down na the small house then small quarter there, then at the compound, and then we see some bundle there. Where if you say na military tent, then we see some box there, where let's say na bomb ammunition box there. Now the yard. So we get for ask them about them. Then say let we ask one staff sergeant say because he said they na that compound. So we go take staff sergeant say he come in your store we say na him get open the big store, we check inside, we not see nothing. Then the team there look at it, he say na the bar Paulo Conte, na him go able explain but then team then. So we take the things then we put on a motorcar plus one motorcar we be team up. This motorcar we look inside, we find computer there inside. And then inside. So we take the motorcar with the content the computer there, we come for the IT man and check within the computer they contain. Then together with them tents then boxes where they look like say ammunition boxes, and then we bring them. The bobo they can make statement, we left them. The one when at the soldier man, when at this staff sergeant say, instead with me, it help we for investigate.
All right, well, that's not the CID boss, Mr. Tommy, but they talk to JJ Tucker. One for being at this, toll gate workman them, then go and strike over the working condition. Well, Alfred Mansarebi did it, and they send this for you.
now we the work na the toll gate, we na toll booth collectors there. So what's in on that the concern them plenty. Well, like I will just summarize for them plenty really. But initially we get a 6-month training with them. During the course of the training, lots of things unfold. We then also we don't suffer a lot even before they consider roads there. So we don't swell our dust now. They train now, we come now every day for 6 months. When we can every day, they give 10,000 say transport. Some of them they got rich. All we go, but they come out there with the come now for cow. So then when they reach yourself, everything done. We then another thing when they do fake promises, say, when I work, when I train, you understand, where everything done, I'll get a better salary. So we bank on that to say, well, come on, after we don't talk to ourselves, so but this, now you know, at least I knew something at this country, not just patient, maybe something better than we patient. After the 6 months, unfinished, you understand? They say the training done. Now they say, sign contract. So that the world glad is a better salary on there. We go inside now, then present a contract with my brother. When we see the salary, just my 600,000. But we just mute. They say, come on, what is this? What is this? Not all this will not promise you, not all this, but we patient back. Just imagine all the people, they say, well, hold on. Maybe, so after, maybe they're going to keep, maybe they just want to test you. They just want to test me. They say, I mean, maybe the lawyer will stay, or the lawyer. We did it now. We don't go to probation 6 months because I said 6 months probation. Nothing. And then they don't even confirm it. Then good confirmation letter. They say you don't confirm it. But even at that, we don't say normally after probation period they can increase your salary. I mean, but after that, nothing will happen. We still hang out.
We got one this allegation. Actually, we get the robber, that most you see. This robber, you see the way in them. This businesswoman come with this complaint, but then we self take phone and make sure say we call this company through the number where they na the robber, but we don't get any response. And the woman said that we don't they call, they don't they engage and say for wait through the other Mutukali pass, let's show them and change them and all. But then in say this is a public health problem. So we want you hear us. We all Athanasius be engaged inside this interview.
In Nigeria to Emma Kanu. Well, Akana SLBC concerning we health facility na this country and Adabugimi camp. The main purpose is for Mega Cola.
Una
businesswoman.
Who say they do business?
And they do business na all railway line late Dr. Willow be that anyway he die in that area there.
How come you get in contact with Mega Cola?
Well, I can buy Mega Cola 1 crate, 2 crates for la fair living for me and my family. And so I take get contact with Mega Cola.
So this time what happen? You go buy how much?
I go buy 2 crates drink, where the one a Mega NIG and the other one a Fresh Up. But the Mega NIG me titi looking for drinker. So I buy them so that the morning I can turn in flask for go school. But when I can't open the drink, I can't hold the drink for open them. As I say, the drink is contaminated with plenty thing there inside. So that give me the cause I go for go take another one. The whole crate now so all turn inside.
So what you do?
So I decide for like I call the owner they will get the company because
how you do get a number?
The number they within the Mega drink. The right hand day.
So you call them, what happen?
When I call them, I talk to the man for tell and waiting at the exact scene what happen with the Mega. He tell me, say, let me keep the Mega until I see another truck with the pass, I go change them. I say, that's all? He say, yes.
You get truck? You get truck with come?
No, not truck, no come.
So what you do? Call the man back?
I call the man on the line within at the Mega Cola. What you do next? I decide for secure, I go bring in the Kiakana, SLBC. So la lady, whole country go no say na them bad produce here they give in at this land.
Well, so the opinion if you drink that, then I begin so umbele.
Nine that. Now we push them.
Anyway, the Deputy Director for Public Relations and Outreach at the Anti-Corruption Commission don't tell SLBC say the ACC ready for thoroughly investigate all the name them of posting them within the indictment, that transition reports where they pull na do this BN10. Well, we on Mohammed Ali Ba get more on this story.
Mina Patrick Sandy, Deputy Director, Public Education and Outreach Department. Well, to start with, on the very day we then released the transition report. The commissioner himself did it, and from that point, yes, they don't make a decision that the ACC get the responsibility and mandate for look at the report. They don't set up a committee where they look at the report very thoroughly, and then when they don't look at the report in the sense that the one we relate to corruption, or alleged corruption and corrupt offenses or corrupt practices go be looked into by the ACC. So basically we just follow the mandate in the sense that anything we get to do with corruption or corrupt practices necessarily we look into them, and then whatever come out of it. But basically I'm not going to tell you if now anything for do with the transition report as to when we get for indict somebody, because there's always a process when you get for, you know,
how soon
start an investigation.
How many months?
It is always a case. No, listen, it's always a case. You have to be very careful when you give timelines to things, particularly in the event wherein as you maybe start it becomes expansive. So I make another one for at this very initial stage, wherein first I just tell you, say, a committee has been put together within the ACC, where they look at the report. After that stage, they therefore look at basically waiting at the issues where the ACC need for take on board, and from that point we go now initiate an investigations, and from that point we begin to talk about completion of the investigation, and then report, take it to the prosecutors for opinion, and then where need be we take the matter to court. So at this stage it is but very, very much premature for let us will tell you any timeline or a time frame within which this could be concluded. But I would just want to assure the public that we will do them in record time, in the sense that we will make sure say we do them thoroughly and then swiftly.
Alright, we go straight to Lumley, who say they allege, say they broke, somebody said they allege, say they broke in place. Well, according to what we able gather from the ground, it look like saying a court give order, but waiting at the mix up, they not see the court order. But they say an order from the court for make them demolish this structure, as they say it block the view of this other person, where they say go list the place after where they want to force we don't list the place. But we not to judge them. Let us hear for ourselves.
Mr. Wilfred Showers. Well, me, then two people in the mix for place. This now be list Historia, we get a cafe when they come in first. So by then, we come in for this cafe, at least get a cafe. So the go open now, we get a confrontation one, we don't cut off. So at that time, Mr. Gauja will get this shop out and book the shop. They come meet me. That's when I said, now I go town, any man says, I go manage it. The bill of Agota. After here, the bill will stop. Yeah. Okay. Sorry. Then he said the pillar, then they block the shop. That's when the pillar, then they block the shop. I said, we will decide for you for 5 years added to the time. For late confrontation only. We accepted that in contract to all of that. So go on. And I say, man, move the shop. And I say, Bobby man. I say, if you can't move the shop, don't tell that man you don't like me, no like. I said, because now list, everybody can list. I said, when this man is time not done, at the end of the day, the property for blank to me. Okay, forget about that. Now I take this man, I go to Mami, I go show him, they make an agreement, sign them, he sign them with this. All of a sudden, they only plan this thing 3 months. Night come morning, they say court order, so we go to confrontation. The bailiff them go. We ask them for the paper and not police paper. All of a sudden, one time back, one Friday, for the following Saturday, can move now. Now, he say, you see somebody with this man, they can't. That's I watch, that's not that bailiff car. Now call it per conte, they didn't pay them about court. Per conte, they tell me it's a court order, they don't wait safe, then they broke the building, a court order from High Court. They don't show me no court order. They don't even write letter to me, mama, away, to an list, say, well, this man, they block me, so court wants you. They don't even give me letter, they don't even give the people who list the letter. I just see all of a sudden, one morning they can't break the building. So I just keep quiet. I wait until the man we get in building where this guy call him and tell him where they go. Say how he gets your already be another one. He never lose case that is country. So go to court, say High Court order, court order. I go to the police, I talk to them and they say a court order. That's the account of police. They could not produce the document from court. Now I see go call police and He go call the police and can the police see. I no see belief. Say this man will build this in Gal Bikini account. He asked them for and a Saturday. And Sunday and both police. He asked them for the belief paper, no police. He asked them for the belief, no police.
Defense for children, well, then they on child trafficking Guinea border. But we on Tilly Williams be there and send this for we.
Dulmanaf Kemokai, I work for Defense for Children International as the Executive Director. Okana Pamalap Balamuya border, when are between Guinea and Sierra Leone. So we come here today for provide training for the security officials, community leaders, the CSOs, and other stakeholders, the way they walk along the border between Sierra Leone and Guinea. Yesterday, we've been getting a big ceremony at the border where Guinean and Sierra Leonean authorities come together and sign a very important document what they call Standard Operating Procedures for End Child Trafficking. That document actually gets things the way different stakeholders, including security officials, we talk about the chiefdom and other community leaders along the border. We also talk about NCSOs, bike riders, motor drivers union. They're all concerned with trafficking. So that document, they really explain what's in the need for the do, now one side of the country or the other side, and also waiting they're supposed for the do jointly. So yesterday, they signed that SOP as a kind of working tool, where they go for the use now for address child trafficking. Now, signing that document are just one aspect of everything. The other aspect now for let us make sure say people really understand the content and how for apply.
All right, so we go straight to chronic kidney sickness. We come out now United Kingdom, where our NGO don't partner with Friends of Maternity Hospital for make them done one diagnosis where they do for people them na Marampa local district, Marampa Chiefdom. Well, after the program, Haja Aisha Darami will explain more.
A diagnostic thing will come today, and the work will come today now just for can check the blood pressure of the people them, the blood pressure of the people, and then urine analysis. Sure, the kidney disease we know for say a rampant in this part of the country, but this now one of the disease where they show you boku signs them. You know, like when you get high blood pressure, sometimes you get headache, sometimes you turn head if you get low blood sugar, you get other things then. But with the kidney, they know for say your kidney they function until we're ready for pack up. Sometimes it can be too late. And this now, some of the people they think for say they knock back by me. They peace because the kidney don't pack up. The peace, then you better begin for swell. And that time you don't feel for saying a person don't do it. But this one today, it explain, it teach the people them, it sensitize them for say thing like this, and it can be preventable through the food where you eat and the way where you live your lifestyle. So all them things then they can do today.
Alright, All Africa Conference of Churches don't elect Right Reverend Arnold C. Temple as the president. Well, one for being a cantor.
My name is Right Reverend Arnold Temple. Me na the Bishop of the Methodist Church Sierra Leone. Yes, we just done with meeting as All Africa Conference of Churches na Kigali, Rwanda. As you know, the headquarters of the AACCD Nairobi, but we've been get this 11th assembly in Rwanda, in Uganda, and by the end of the meeting, we get elections, and they appoint me as the president of the All Africa Conference of Churches.
Tell me about this All African Conference of Churches.
All Africa Conference of Churches now, a body will bring together about 150 churches from all over Africa. Denominations like Methodists, Anglicans, Baptists, United Methodists, Presbyterians, the Orthodox family, you know, all the denominations we can think about, we exist in Africa. They come together and discuss issues facing the continent of Africa. They formed this AACC in 1963. So that means to say we celebrate at this time an important anniversary. We celebrate 50-something years, 56 years or something like that as AACC churches.
All right, the president for All African Conference of Churches. Well, they take a short break. We'll come back. We'll go inside the second half of the program. All right, it's okay. We'll send the hook now.
Quick one, now we see what you can.
All right, formally, the person on the scene on the screen, he named Moses S. Mambu, in the Communications Manager, Civil Society Consortium on Community Accountability and Service Delivery. Well, tell family,
Fambula, good evening.
All right, now somebody go on for know what actually you want for communicate to the general public.
Okay, if the public go aware, Fambula, all know, say, civil society don't already tigi one over the years and even now for ensure we continue for whole government and accountable for things and what they do. We continue for monitor service delivery over the years and even now. So today, the 9th day of July, na Sludge office. And also remember say now we be done with this president win, he set what we call the governance transition team. That team they do a report. And at the end of the day, that report they remember a few weeks ago, one cabinet minister, to be precise, the Minister of Finance, been go na the weekly press briefing na Ministry of Information and say that report they now for government consumption, not for public consumption. Well, we civil society will come together and say no, sir. Because of the hype and the public interest we don't develop for the setting up of the governance transition team, we think say it's about fitting if we want to promote good governance, rule of law and democracy and fight corruption, for let that report they come out now. Let the public self see say this government here transparent and open up, and they know they try for which want anybody. So let them lay the report now. Why them for lay the report now? Than most. Salona a country from 1961 to South Sudan so. Service delivery not don't be effective at all. We know they put that blame there to one government. Successive government them, the war self-come inside, the Ebola self-come inside, service delivery have been a challenge. You go notice say before this time, Ghana and Nigeria, now they come for services. They come with hospital, they come with book learning institutions, they come for can acquire. But over time, all I want they put will be railway train where they work out with people them. They go up like all I want they fade out over time. What's irresponsible? Find out say the people who don't they manage we country, the small and then they in a very small number, minute. In fact, number the one the way we don't give the responsibility for manage this country over the years. Not only manage and well. Some of them the drivers where they drive this service delivery over the years, don't they cry and go other side, don't they mislead them. So we need as a country now for each at a point where they set example, where they set precedent, where the power they go back to the people, where the people they begin ask people where they vote for. Because now we vote, now make it the whole way. we will vote. At the end of the day, we for demand what we vote for, we foresee the outcome. So now it make we demand say let this report come on. Rightfully the government listen to we on the 4th they pull the report now. Now what it makes civil society take this report? We take this report. We're happy for this report on 2 issues. Issue number 1, now the methodology we then use for get the report. Issue number 2, now the recommendations that we the report make. Now when we read the report throughout, we get with electronic system or partner that we don't help with for setup. Through with community structure, we send them out electronically, the recommendations and the methodology. For little community people and then give you feedback, look at their recommendations and see what could be your position. What are these recommendations? When you go the report through the report, you go see say na 3 key methodology they use. 1, they review documents them.
I'm not sure say we get 10 for all that one. They just say waiting una see the document and waiting una they expect of this report we don't come.
Okay.
But if you want to go all through that, they will not be able to finish.
Okay. Today we hold a press conference where at the end of all we consultation, the consortium decide for come up with a position. And we position on that. We don't give this government, the SLPP government, 21 days ultimatum. Start immediately. When they start immediately, that within 21 days, this government for ensure say they set a commission of inquiry. Because when you look the transition team report, not specific. Then give the recommendation there, but not specific. And I saw the thinking begin where government and they get documents because it's not specific and will not force them. If they find out say that they go lay on a shelf, dirty get around. So they tell them now say we civil society will give them 21 days. At the end of the 21 days, if they not set up the commission of inquiry, will they put 1 million Sierra Leoneans on the street for demand because we want for CC Salome begin live by example, like how other countries then they do. We begin set precedents then, so that successive government, including the now officials of the SLPP, go no say, where the people in Giuna, the trust of their vote, not to follow you take their money, not to follow you take their resources, but to follow you serve them rightly. So give government 21 days ultimatum. If they fail within 21 days, starting today, immediately, if they fail within the 21 days for set up the commission of inquiry, for go deeply into the issue, would they pull 1 million Sierra Leoneans on the street for demonstrates in the streets of Freetown, call on the international community, demand for let them set up the commission of inquiry. We also say, within the press release, say, government for put a timeline on the audit, the special audit way for happen. If you look the recommendation, they not put timeline. They for put timeline on that one day. We also call on the ACC, say, we remind the ACC, say, well, don't read the report. Things and they way what investigating where this report no capture. For example, the toll gate, the report no capture. There be this government be tell we say that they review the toll gate as immediately then take over. The Mamama airport, you understand? You know this report no capture. There were issues within the Ministry of Social Welfare where UNICEF been give them money before this time for recruit and train social workers. You understand? Over 700 million euros to a point that one minister, former minister, we been there and deputy be there 98.1. They pull themselves your secret now. This report not capture. So one lady we don't.
Okay, now no more. You don't see the other one the way certain minister the way been done there, they function. They don't even mention their name. You know, see that they.
Yeah, now Boku the recommendations they all make Boku. We also say the government for ensure say because government now the people don't give the mandate. If you are saying you serious about something, the people don't foresee in you. So they call on the government one time. All the one they will name them at this report from former President Kandong, where they all they name that they at this report with immediate effect. The government for ensure say they surrender the travel document. That one they not get play. If for be immediately, if for happy immediately, because when you want to take action, the people then for begin see. Why all this? We also they call on the international community for ensure say, in as much as they set up the commission, who will know say they will. You understand? International community they win at the moral guarantors for we peace, security and democracy because we now know say there are some people who they try for politicize this issue. Some people they try for call and witch hunt. Why we know they call and witch hunt? Because we go in depth into the report, you go find out say most of the issues where the report capture, these are issues where civil society, the media don't affect the former government for. For example, the duty waiver, so we don't affect over that. The hard gate money, the Ebola money, we don't affect over. Nasid Ferry issue, we don't affect over. The money where they put per Nasid Ferry. These are issues so we don't affect.
The civil society we don't affect for all them things they are clearly through the media and all them things and they. But when you begin for go back, you begin go back. Because if people they say really they want for fact, all them kind of thing, you begin go back. You don't think say go draw bush draw bad animal, all thing kind of tongue.
If that
cause trouble.
If that bush they where they draw rope they draw animal. We all they draw we self now for case along before. Believe me, not draw the bush. You dey get me? You see this? I think it is South or North Korea. Then President na woman o, he left power. They arrest him for corruption. South Africa, Jacob Zuma, they impeach him. You dey get me? Because of corruption, they impeach him because of corruption. As I dey talk so now, Jacob Zuma, South Africa, the economy 100 times pass you. You dey understand me? No, we just dey say there nobody. Bob Marley say, no man stands alone. No man is an island. And no man stands alone. Salon not to an isolated country. What did they happen? Are not new to other countries.
So we don't communicate this now to government?
Yeah, we don't submit this we press release to government. We don't submit that to international community. And we are calling on the government. We give them 21 days ultimatum. And we see, thank God, today the government then said don't put press release. Cabinet don't approve all the recommendations, which is a step in the right direction. Okay. Now that they move into the next step, into authorizing the Ministry of Justice for set up the Commission of Inquiry. But all this will give a time frame within 21 days.
You know, all of this process will allow the government for doing something. Then when begin serve as if, you know, when they try to push the government into something.
We use. Wake up 5 o'clock morning. If you get picking within a university, just wake 5 o'clock. Miss Small Border then OCD, I bam. You know how much o'clock the week? 5 o'clock. I ask her why you the week. He said I run for go class because I go fetch for chair. Folks, I say what? Imagine you pay 3.5 million, 3.7 in a university in this country. Where you go now for Abbey College? If you let for go fetch for chair, Tinam. Go now Abacha, let's see ordinary people they suffer. As I talk to you, Salon are the third hungriest country in the world. That one alone for be worried. For we, if for be worried, there are people in this country where they go to bed hungry.
Okay.
As I speak to you.
Today, hold you there first. Let me hear from people them as well. Well, the messages that we don't get so far, we begin with the WhatsApp line. This one say the best solution now that therefore cut the cotton tree down. So today, smoke still they come out today from Alusain and Bendu.
This one say one for tell SLBC thank you for a good work and the country. Let God bless una from Sonny Najue.
This one say Lucian Duya now for send message to the Minister of Health for make he send him command them for go check the hospital na Lemon Lane. The danger where you go see unbelievable.
This say good evening sir and madam say concern about the cotton tree. This they tell you say we need for pray for the country.
This one say this is trouble for we inside this country. May God help we all from Eva.
This one say the fire where being a cotton tree is an ordinary say but make God help Mama Salon from Daniel and King Tom.
This one say cotton tree don't turn dwelling place.
Alright, they say the demolition of Alomli Beach we be in Alomli Beach say a good move by the government. They say some illegal things and they will be there and the plenty criminal them. They know the punch, now they tap.
This was a bad day grown as salon like grass. So the government stop them bad man in the streets.
Alright, they say we use team. So one for telling us thank you for to push this nation forward.
This was a cotton tree in Born One fever like sign from yesterday where I hear and reflect like trouble in a road. But we dey pray to Allah for push and far. Amin from Brahma Bob Sinkama, Juba Hill. Momo Drive.
This one say we used to say how we colonial master them who think but salon we still get problem with dirty business.
This one say oh salon then people here get clearance for go inside Paulo house. Paulo binon come out na la house dey long time before go Makeni. For me na make up story for implicate them. He said them for investigate the one them we carry the word. Thank you, Mr. ACC, for where you look into the documents properly. Take your time and study them for avoid embarrassment.
Well, this one say we use for draw on attention to that Canigo Malama area. Some youth send it. They just go put some kind panels now the place and they sell all kind things them where even though they allow people them for go na the land. So one for make them know that so it be happy one time when somebody lost his life there and still the case with the police but will not see police do anything. So one for let people and go and government pay attention there because some youths and they will get bad activity in that area there.
This one say criminal and 419 business done bakuna the country, so people are need for be smart. Samuel Aina Collier, 11 Mill Street, back office the police.
For Pastor Moses saying Alunga say we got so many rampant drinks that will circulate in the country and Consumer Protection Agency will for fed out but that mega cola link.
This one say we used to the best in a salon for news business.
So we used to say one of the most important program is about please say Lucian and Dan say una for go to the una for extend the time for una information. We of course we need plenty people in need for no plenty thing with happen in the country.
Well,
from Walter and Moriton.
Thank you, Walter. This one say we tell una plenty thank you for the good work we una they do. Do ya Mama Salon? This time the Mama Salon from Lady Happiness. Now send this.
Well, Pastor say the start action will be at the toll gate. Say man say timely. Say and then for CC they open, let them get talk anyway of concern where then go for settle that problem there.
Do you have a government to help them people there for make them get their land and their structure because this is not pure advantage. What's not sending him?
All right, quickly.
This one say the government transition team report is in place. It sets a document where they set the pace for whosoever where just feel say if we use public funds and make the SEC bring the culprits then come to task. The person not sending name.
All right, we'll touch.
Another one, final one, he say we use. He say na true for the mega cola. He say myself don't see dirty inside there from Blazer.
All right, this one I talk about transitional team report. Say he respond. He say that like which ones from Hansis Bango and Asmalatom. Say well. Quickly.
This one say with the present team weather up in the cotton tree, let we begin for put a risk and disaster prevention in place for avoid loss of life and property then tomorrow from Idrissa Sano.
All right, this one says quickly, tidbit. St. Joseph Old Student Association, they call JOSA, Western Area Branch, will get the usual monthly meeting. Will go be Saturday, July 14, 1 o'clock Santem at the St. Joseph's Convent Side Street. Say all man in the colonel student, past student for Leona go talk issues them we concern the 50th Golden Jubilee. All that we go talk from chairperson Auntie Jaka.
This one come out from Prince Kamgoma. He say he lost in Black Key where now I'm one Jeep. He lost in key inside one taxi na Godrich 7 Battalion Dria. If you see him, he say call on 088 951 697 or 076605 813 or Briancana SLBC. You go look for something good for you.
All right, love you.
We carry on with the rest of the program. Fire be catch now one place now Regent Road, Freetown by Circular Road. Now we see how we be look like.
All bond inside. Mina Mohamed Bangura, I will be in at this place.
How's you this work?
Now 37 Regent Road.
Alright, tell family, what's the problem?
Well, the problem we been in Osia Sunday with family them. They keep time because that they no sign no they for go. So they keep time with family them. We just see fire at the next room. This bad light where they come on and off. We just see fire. So the fire will see you try to go off the fire because we no bother for pull meetings them. And the fire force go for go fet. We all go for go fet for the fire. But the fire, the host na bodos, we know you bull otam. We try for otam until we know you bull. I will go for brogi the modi. You must now go. I did the fire outside cage, the smoke outside cage. First we call fire force they come and then come out the fire. The property nothing you know you bull.
Alright, so how much o'clock this fire take place?
Well, around then just for minutes after.
All right, the Princely Nursery and the Preparatory School and the Older 19 every year graduation ceremony. One for Grand Canton now.
The name is Princess Napstana of Princely Nursery and Preparatory School Proprietary. I opened this school the 6th of September 1999. Waiting make I open this school when I joined in partnership with UNICEF at the work with Child Survival Christian Development and Protection. We dey go around at the different village and towns wherever wey pikin dey from, make sure say dem get market under 5. So when we dey go there market dem dey find out say plenty pikin dem dey will not dey go school when dem suppose for dey na school. So I start for mobilize. I dey mobilize.
So who see how you found this school here?
1999.
Wetin are the achievements wey the school don get from the time we found out to now?
Well, you don't get plenty achievement. For like a day alone, now one big achievement, from 1999 to now, some mushroom schools, they don't close. This one still weather the storm and they do very well. All right, we push it program go before Morgan Lane, now by Ogu Lane Park, now Bufields, it in bad shape. We want make you see I'm a Samuel Abiose Stanley Bingude and Adisi Bring.
Well, actually, the affected lately, more especially here in town. Yeah, you can really focus yourself and move on. One of that, you can enter inside that's just now. And the affected so bad is that this was one you do this one there, let them try for it. If you don't do this one, the most thing we are talking about, that big one, the colbert is very small. The last comments we can understand, we can clean but pretty dirty to come up from what we don't talk about.
Alright. Well, we close now quickly. Moses, just 1 second. What you want for left now as you go?
Yes, I want for left with Fambulen, say, if we want for make Sierra Leone go before, waiting don't happen, so with this government don't dig their own grave, because that's what I go call them. Because waiting don't happen, so now with the transition team don't report don't come on and do. Now a precedent. So even the public officials and now, the politicians, the presidential appointees, when they're in the office, so now they will be careful. Because they're going to say, at the end of the 5 year, if another government come, what they tenure done in office, if they not rule, they don't manage public funds well, that government itself go investigate them. Now that kind of precedent they want for no carry Salon go before, so that anybody where they come for rule this country go think say, hey, there had been a precedent before. Where they now investigate, we still worship. So Lord, be careful. Now that make who they be in this report. We know they encourage this government for treat this matter with the lens of witch hunt, with the resistance. That one they will not allow. Now you make the commission for be inclusive, if you get civil society, if you get media, it's a religious council.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Before we go, this one say we use is a one thing where we all for know and acknowledge that at this inquiry so now for all Salon people, not for one person. So where they give somebody responsibility, that person they for serve the people of Salon, Lonta from Cheryl.
Alright, this one said the man of the program and said they talk to make everybody with their suspects for face the law from James Najwe.
From James Najwe, this one said Dan he said we need for pray for Salon. We really need prayer. That's what James say. And the other one say it go good if we work, somebody still they call, if we work with the reports so that we go able to start sharp. That's what this person say. More message this one say we use. He said we support Mr. Mambu for the 21 day where they give the government for set up commission of inquiry. More message, but with a close and eye.
Alright, now so we'll put the cutting down. Thanks to Olma who put on for Mele's program, Richuna, Luciana the producer, Mina Dan Mosile. Bye bye.
Sierra Leone Commercial Bank, a leading financial services provider, delivering value to all stakeholders.
Now we back, now you back, now we back. Salon Commercial Bank. Now we back, now you back, now we back. Salon Commercial Bank. Salon Commercial Bank.
Ha ha.
Now the People's Bank.
People's Bank.
Oh yeah.
Sure, sure, sure.
Saloon Commercial Bank. Delivering value.
Delivering value.
We dey drive customer success.
For sure.
Insist on excellence. Integrity and commitment. Now that we stand for. Creating a climate of openness and trust. Personal values. Count on us.
You can count on us.
Team ethic. For sure. Count on us. Now we back. Now you back. Now we back. Salon Commercial Bank.
Delivering value.
Fode.
Yes, Papa.
But Gia send something for we. Nothing other than host for it.
Okay.
Airtel money now na Orange money. Dial #144# for use Orange money. Send money, cash money, pay your own bill with Orange money and be part of over 15 lucky customers and agents them for win 1 million news every week for the next 10 weeks. This na the way for Tel Unakushe.
It's all about what matters to you. Orange.